So today we are right here at Blossom Gardens Estate, and we are here with the developer of Blossom Gardens Estate, and we are right here to ask him few questions about the future of Blossom Gardens Estate. So Mr. Ben, good afternoon, sir. So today we want to know how far has it gone with the development right here in Blossom Gardens Estate. So what's the plan for Blossom Gardens Estate, so that our viewers, those are our developers that want to come and invest here, what should they be expecting when they buy from Blossom Gardens Estate?
Okay, thank you, Mr. George. I love how we are doing this, and you can see there's a lot of development coming in. We are actually trying to create a 3.6 kilometer wide ring road.
Okay.
And by the special grace of God, from now to the ending of November, we're having a total different structure.
Okay.
Our vision for Blossom Garden City Estate is excellent. It's going to be one of the 10th of best estates in Enugu.
Okay.
Enugu State Housing Corporation has made this possible with our aids and effort.
Yeah.
We are working with the Enugu State Housing Corporation, and our aim is for us to make sure that this estate is not just an estate you just come and buy. You know, it's not just an estate you just come and invest your money, but it's something that people will come, will see, will look and say, wow.
Yeah.
You understand? So we want to build something totally different. This is the first solar power estate in Enugu State.
Yeah. And
Blossom Garden Estate is an estate whereby people, the name alone is defined.
Yeah.
So we are working 24/7. We are making sure that everything we have listed, our goals, must surely come to pass.
Okay.
You can see our machines at the site now. Although we are not working for today, but by tomorrow we'll set up again. So what I want to tell our investors is that you can never go wrong in buying this Blossom Garden Estate. Number one, is the cheapest luxury estate in Enugu
currently.
Number two is that people who are the developers are visionaries.
Yeah.
We have goals, and we are making sure that these things are taking place.
Okay.
Number three, you should know about Blossom Garden City Estate is that it's an estate that will develop fast.
Yeah, I can see it's closer to the Enugu Express.
Yes, it's an estate will develop fast. We started at August, and look at where we are today.
Yeah.
So by the grace of special grace of God, from this time next year, we will have luxury houses.
Okay.
We'll have people will come, and people just want to just come to Blossom to just look around.
Okay.
Come and take pictures. You know, you'll be like, this is an estate whereby people will be admiring.
Okay.
Other developers will come here and capture what they want to do in their own.
Yeah. Yeah.
So Blossom Garden City Estate is an estate for excellence.
Yeah.
We are building a standard whereby you will see the rich, you will see the medium, and you will see the semi-medium.
Okay. All right.
And we don't want to just build, but we want to create luxury. We want to define that name, Blossom. And by the special grace of God, we are going to do that.
So as you can see, we are right here at Blossom Gardens Estate, and you just heard from the developer what he said and all the plans they have for Blossom Gardens Estate. So as you can see, it is like from what he said it is the first solar powered estate right here in Enugu State in Nigeria. So you don't have to bother about light when you buy from Blossom Gardens Estate. You get. So now, as from the other side, they've already started work in Blossom Gardens Estate. They are trying to open up the road down that leads to the main estate. So this particular road now, this particular road leads to Enugu Express Road. Express Road, and they are trying to open up the way down to the estate. Now, this particular estate has two entrances. It has from Transekulu, and also has from Enugu, Onitsha. So this is one of the best property currently in Enugu State that guarantees you a 50% return on investment when you buy from them, when you buy from us now. So the actual price for this particular estate is 15 million naira, but we are on a promo and we are selling it for just 10 million naira, of which we have payment plan that can suit your needs. So we have a 3-month payment plan. You're paying 4M the first month, you're paying 4 million naira the first month, 3 million naira the second month, and another 3 million naira the third month. So this particular project started in June. This particular project started in June, and see how far we've gone from June down to October. Now we this particular project comes with a deed of assignment, a power of attorney, and a C of O. So it has a general C of O, and it comes with a housing allocation. So when you buy from us, we'll give you a housing allocation. If you check my previous video, you'll see the amount of clients that bought from us, of which we've given them the allocation. Now the project we are working on now is to start up our physical allocation. So this is a situation where you buy the property and we'll show you your plots on ground with beacons. So we'll be doing our physical allocation before the end of this year, because we are currently working on the site and we'll put in our beacons very soon. So if you want to be part of those first people that will be allocated, that will be physically allocated, all you have to do is to buy Blossom Gardens Estate now. All you have to do now is to call Josh Consult so that I can bring you here for inspection and booking. Thank you very much.